Mary is 24 years old. Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. How old is Anna? In this problem, we are going to tackle age problem. And what is age problem? Age word problems typically involve comparing two people's ages at different points in time, i.e. at present, in the past, or in the future. By this problem, how old is Anna? In order to clearly understand what the problem is talking about, let's pinpoint the magic words. What do you think I'm talking about? Let's concentrate on terms present, past, and future. Let's write it with a solution. Read it twice. Getting the words that describes the past. Example is when Mary was as old as Anna is now. Highlight was, is. We'll look again for terms that relate to what are we finding about. Another is. Mary is twice as old as Anna was. We are highlighting this words is and was. The problem is mixing the past and present by using the word present first. Repeat reading to understand. When Mary was as old as Anna is now. When Mary was as old as Anna is now means that the past age of Mary is equal to present age of Anna. Repeat reading to understand. Mary is twice as old as Anna was. The key terms. Mary is twice as old as Anna was. Mary is twice as old as Anna was. Means that the present age of Mary is twice the past age of Anna. This could say that the past age of Anna is half the present age of Mary. Can you follow me? Just rewrite and pinpoint key terms so you could understand the problem. If you look at our screen, this is our key terms that describe the ages of Anna and Mary. Where it can be say 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. Let's put it on a table to understand the back and forth pointing of age. Let's put the letter A as present age of Anna. Then put 24 at present age. Anna past age is half the present age of Mary, which is 24 halves. Present age of Anna is a. Note that the difference or gap between the ages of two persons is constant. Then, let's equate. Use this equation. A minus 12 equals 24 minus A. By this equation, apply simple algebra and equate up to the value of A. Add all variables. A plus A equals 24 plus 12. Bring down 2A equals 36. A equals 18. 18 years old is the present age of Anna. 2. Check. Their gap is 24 minus 18 equals 6. So when Mary was 18 years old, Anna was 12. And 24 Mary's age now is twice of 12 Anna's past age.